Hello, all right. Thanks for stopping by. We joined this drawing probably midway in progress, already in progress. I was, I think I lost the initial beginning of it. I thought I was recording a couple of times and I wasn't. Apparently, my battery had run out of my video recorder like a dummy. I wasn't paying attention to what was going on. I got pretty far into it, but anyway, it's been a while since I got to do some practice sketching and got held up by a couple of hurricanes and the power being out for quite a while. So, trying a new office place or a new work area. So, the lighting is a little different. Swapping out the bulbs, trying to find a good solid white light. And these lights kind of have an orangey tint to it, or a reddish, warmer glow. I guess is fine for now until I can reestablish some stuff here. But just working on some faces. I always hated doing the drawings from under the chin, so I was trying to work out some chin line practice, I guess, looking at the chin or from under the chin, and so I had those astronaut figures lifting the helmet off their head. I was trying to go for or get that effect. The head always seems to mush together right into the neck when I do that. It's different than a straight on face or a 3/4 face. I find it difficult, I guess. But not much, nothing. I'm not aiming for a final piece here, just doodling, practicing. Always got to practice, especially if I walk away for a while and I almost forget how to draw. So, just coming back to some of these drawings. Lost power for maybe 8 days. The power line that goes, the neighborhood had power pretty quick, but I have a line that goes through a forest to my house, and that, of course, all the trees in the forest fell down on the power line and had to wait for the people to come get, or the electric company to come and give it some kind of look-see to see what was going on, and then finally come around and fix it. And I was the only house out here, so they're not really prioritizing that. I guess I can understand that. They're going to go for the houses, 100 houses at a time if they can get it, by just fixing a wire here and there rather than the single house. But I was trying to muddle through with a very small generator and some battery backups, and prioritizing the electricity to other things rather than the internet and the computer or whatever. Excuse me. But I do have some drawings from before the storms hit that I want to try to put together. I was looking at the videos for them earlier, and I'm not even sure they're worth salvaging. They're so disjointed, and I don't really remember where the beginning is for that, and the middle and the end, so it would be all goofy. I'll give it a shot, if nothing else. But I definitely made it out a lot better than some folks, that's for sure. Very fortunate and grateful. And this is one of those under the chin shots that I was talking about. And this is just some goofiness. I don't know what I'm doing. More hands and doodads. And literally what happens is I see things that I don't like in some of the other sketches, and I zip over to it and adjust it real quick, and then get back to whatever my focus may have been. Just like this. It's probably gonna be crazy to watch. I don't know why I get so obsessed with the detail there on some of these things. It's just I didn't even mean to, I didn't mean to even create such a level of detail. Just wanted to rough out do some quick practicing. I get a little carried away. That's just because I start having so much fun. Then you kind of get invested in it, no matter how small of a drawing it is, or inconsequential. I don't know what it is, something about the faces. If I step away from them for too long, I will lose it. You don't use it, you lose it kind of thing for sure. I almost forget how to. I have to start from scratch, almost relearning or regathering that muscle memory. I don't know if that happens. It probably doesn't happen to real artists. Once they got it, they got it. I'm not I don't know what you'd say, natural. I have to force it. So this hand it's just breaking out into a stream of consciousness. I didn't intend to do a robotic hand or a mechanical hand. It's just, I guess that's just where my tendencies lead me. And I'm just winging it and riffing. This is where the fun starts happening, and I lose track of time. Then I'll just finally decide I've wasted enough time on this and move on to something else, whether it's a drawing or yard work. uh, I think I'm getting ready to get bored with this, actually. As an artist, I don't know how you feel about it. As a viewer, maybe you're already getting bored with it. Okay, let's see if we can just finish up this silly little hand. If you stuck around this long, I appreciate it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.